Are you looking for the fuse box location in your BMW X3 G45 2025 to 2026? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your sedan vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box location. The BMW X3 G45 2025 to 2026 passenger compartment fuse box diagram provides a detailed layout of the interior fuses that protect the vehicle's cabin electrical systems and advanced features. It identifies each fuse by its amperage rating and assigns circuit for quick troubleshooting and accurate replacement. The diagram covers components such as the infotainment system, instrument cluster, climate control, power windows, interior lighting, and comfort electronics. The BMW X3 G45 2025 to 2026 engine compartment fuse box diagram provides a clear layout of the fuses and relays that protect the vehicle's engine and high-power electrical systems. It identifies each fuse by its rating and assigned circuit, covering essential components such as engine control systems, cooling fans, power supply modules, and charging circuits. Clearly labeled positions help technicians quickly diagnose electrical issues, perform maintenance, and replace fuses safely. The BMW X3 G45 2025 to 2026 body domain controller diagram provides a detailed overview of the central control module responsible for managing various body electrical functions. It shows the connections and control pathways for systems such as lighting, door locks, windows, comfort access, and interior electronics. The diagram helps technicians understand BDC communication, diagnose electrical issues, and perform accurate repairs. Luggage compartment fuse box location. The BMW X3 G45 2025 to 2026 luggage compartment fuse box diagram provides a clear layout of the fuses that protect rear-mounted electrical systems and accessories. It identifies fuse ratings and circuit assignments for components such as the tailgate, rear lighting, power outlets, and comfort features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.